Most people think writing an ebook is the hard part, but that's not true. You can create an ebook in a day. The real problem is this: most ebooks don't make money, not because they're bad, but because they're not connected to anything. No system, no structure, no follow-up, just a file. And that's why most people fail. In this video, I'll show you something different: how to take one simple ebook and turn it into a complete system using a structure that combines content, products, and monetization into one flow. And if you want a simple framework to follow along, I've added a free guide in the description below that you can use to build this step by step. Let's simplify everything. Instead of thinking about selling a book, think about building a path. Step 1. Create a niche-specific ebook. Something focused, one problem, one audience. Step 2. Build a simple opt-in page. You can use tools like System.io. Instead of sending people directly to a product, you give them something free. Now you capture attention. Step 3. Add a bridge page. This is where you recommend tools or services. For example, ghostwriting services, design tools, publishing tools. Now your ebook becomes more than content. It becomes a connector. Step 4. Use email follow-up with tools like ConvertKit. Simple messages, nothing complex, just guidance. Now your system continues working after the first click. Now let's talk about creating the ebook, because this is where most people overthink everything. You don't need a perfect book, you need a useful one. Start with AI tools like ChatGPT. Use it to generate ideas, structure your content, create outlines, then simplify. Remove everything that is not necessary. For design, use Canva or tools like Designer and keep it clean. No complex layouts, no over-design. And here's what matters most. Your ebook should include clear steps, simple frameworks, examples. Think of it like a guide, not something people read once, something they use. Now, this is where everything connects. Instead of separating content and products, you combine them. Your videos become entry points. Each video explains one part of your process. Then you connect that video to your ebook. Want the full guide? Download it below. Now your audience moves naturally from content to ebook to next step. And this builds something very important: trust. Now let's talk about how this actually makes money. First, affiliate marketing. You recommend tools, for example, writing platforms, design tools, publishing services, and your ebook supports that recommendation. Second, the ebook itself. You can offer a free version and a paid version. Same idea, different depth. Third, upsells. Once someone understands your system, you can offer templates, deeper guides, structured programs. Now you don't rely on one sale. You have layers, multiple ways to generate income. This is where it becomes powerful. One idea can become 3 products. Step 1. Record a simple session, a walkthrough, a basic explanation. You can use Zoom or Loom. Step 2. Turn that recording into an ebook. Use transcription tools, then clean it up. Now you have a written product. Step 3. Use that same content as an audio version. Now you have an audiobook. 3 products from one idea. Now you can structure it. Ebook to main product, audio to order bump, video to upsell. This increases value and makes your system more complete. You don't need a complicated setup, you just need the right tools. For funnels, System.io, email, ConvertKit, design, Canva, content, ChatGPT, and for transcription, tools like Otter.ai. That's enough. You don't need 10 platforms, you need clarity. Now you might think this is too much. I don't know how to do all of this. That's normal. You don't need everything at once. Start simple. One idea, one ebook, one connection, then expand. That's how real systems are built. If you want to see how this works step by step, check the free guide in the description. And if you want a more guided approach with templates, systems, and support, that's exactly what I've built inside the school community. But remember this, the ebook is not the business, it's the starting point. The real opportunity is in how you build around it.